Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel Gamaarz. Today, we have an exciting product review for you, a closer look at the automobile Dent Suction Cup, a handy tool for DIY dent removal. The quest for an effective and convenient solution for minor car dents has led many automobile enthusiasts to explore various tools on the market. Among these, the automobile Dent Suction Cup has gained popularity as a promising DIY solution for dent removal. In this product review, we will delve into the features, usability, and overall effectiveness of this tool. The Dent Suction Cup is a simple yet ingenious device designed to address small to medium-sized dents on automobiles. Crafted from durable materials, the cup features a high-quality rubber suction pad that adheres securely to the vehicle's surface. The handle is ergonomic and provides a comfortable grip for users during the dent removal process. One of the standout features of the Dent Suction Cup is its user-friendly design. The application process is straightforward, making it accessible to both seasoned DIYers and those new to dent removal. To use the suction cup, users place it over the dent, press down firmly, and engage the suction mechanism. This creates a vacuum, pulling the dent outward and restoring the affected area to its original shape. In terms of performance, the Dent Suction Cup proves to be highly effective on shallow dents caused by factors such as minor collisions, hail, or door dings. The suction power generated by the cup is commendable, successfully pulling out many types of dents without the need for additional tools or professional assistance. However, it is crucial to note that the Dent Suction Cup is most effective on flat or gently curved surfaces. Deeper dents or those located on complex contours may require more extensive efforts and possibly professional intervention. It's important for users to manage their expectations and understand the limitations of this tool. Durability is a key factor when assessing the value of any automotive tool. The Dent Suction Cup, constructed from robust materials, demonstrates good durability in typical usage scenarios. The rubber suction pad holds up well to repeated application and removal, and the handle is sturdy enough to withstand the pressure exerted during dent removal. The automobile Dent Suction Cup proves to be a practical and effective tool for DIY dent removal. Its user-friendly design, coupled with impressive suction power, makes it a valuable addition to any car enthusiast's toolkit. While it may not be suitable for all types of dents, especially deeper or more complex ones, it excels at addressing common issues like door dings and minor collisions. Considering its affordable price point and the potential cost savings compared to professional dent removal services, the Dent Suction Cup is a worthwhile investment for those looking to maintain their vehicle's aesthetic appeal with a do-it-yourself approach.